In this video, you will learn how to start an online business for free. I will also show you the most profitable types of online business to start and how to choose the right online business to start for you, not for somebody who wants to sell you a course. I will prevent you from making costly mistakes on your journey of how to start your online business for free. This training is absolutely free. There is nothing for me here to sell you. There is no course or a plugin in the middle of this video to sell you a course. All I like for you to do is subscribe and vote. You're probably wondering, what is vote? Vote is basically when you give a thumbs up for this video. When I see thumbs up, I start to make more videos. That means you tell me that you like the videos, you want more, and I will go ahead and make more for you. Hello and welcome to this epic training. This is Mark Daniels. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start an online business for free. Yes, you can do it for free. So I'm going to go ahead, as usual, take you step by step where you can start making money within 24 hours. And the right way is to do it just like I'm doing it right now, which is like a blueprint. There are 3 things that we're supposed to talk about. Now, when you're opening or starting an online business, you are wondering, what should I sell? Well, I'm going to go ahead and tell you that there are digital products. These are the most important things I'm going to talk about. I'm not going to talk about something else. Now, let's talk about what is a digital product. It is a product that is consumed online. Basically, somebody is buying something like maybe an online course, software. But the question is how to start an online business for free doing digital marketing. Now, the best thing that we need to do is that we need to understand is that to define what is it. It's basically selling someone else's product. So you don't have to create your own product at all. It's already made by somebody else, and all you have to do is something simple that I will talk about. Now, what does that mean? That means it's more like affiliate marketing. It is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, basically, like I said, selling someone else's product and then making money on it. Affiliate marketing is on the rise. Affiliate marketing right now is about $14 billion and growing by a minimum of 10% each year. Currently, right now, it's the largest money-making opportunities on the internet. The reason for that is very simple. Like I mentioned before, you are selling someone else's product. You are not selling your own product, so you don't have to create the product or do a customer service and try to tweak it, do refunds or whatever that might include. Where do you get these products? You can go and get these products from what's called marketplaces. Marketplaces or market networks, they have hundreds of products that they can sell. You would choose the product that fits your need or whatever you want to sell, and then you will apply for it and sell it. Now, there are a whole lot of marketplaces, and I don't want you to get so confused by that. A lot of people watch YouTube videos and they end up confused about marketplaces. Marketplaces are not all the same. Some of them are friendly for beginners and some of them are not friendly for beginners. So don't just pick one out of the blue because somebody did recommend it online. The best one that I use with all the people that I have trained, which there are 1,200 people, is ClickBank. The reason ClickBank is important because it is made for beginners. So there's not a whole lot of qualifications that you have to go through. You can start going very, very quickly. And ClickBank is very important because it does have all the niches that are important for your success, which is health, wealth, and relationships. So now you understand how to start an online business for free. Basically, you are not making any products. You are not creating anything. You're just selling someone else's product and you are getting paid a percentage of what you are selling. Basically, it's like you are marketing someone else's product and you're getting paid portion of the sales price. Now, the other thing that you should be considering if you want to make money online is physical products. There are some people who really like physical products. Basically, what physical product is something that is used physically. It is not that hard to understand that, I guess. You can start an online business by creating an online store, for example, and you can be selling something that is physical, basically, or mainly that you have to ship it to the consumer. Now, how can you do it? Let's go ahead and talk about that. The first one is you can start an online business selling your own products. There are some people that already out there, they do have maybe a physical business. They already have the product and now they can sell it online. You can do that as well. So that would be your own product, selling it online. Now, the other one is that you can also start your online business doing drop shipping. I'm going to explain what drop shipping very quickly. Drop shipping is a good idea, but it is a little bit more complicated. But I'm going to go ahead and tell you what it is. It's basically you are collecting the money, you have a website, you collect the money, you put the product out there, but you don't own any of that product. So when somebody does order something from your online store, for example, you would get it, maybe most people get it from China and then they ship it. The problem with that is that there's a lot of communications, there's a lot of friction before the product gets here because it's coming from a different country, long way, and sometimes might take a long way to get there. So it is profitable to start it because the simple fact is that you don't have to buy the product. When people pay for that product, basically it's an arbitrage. You are selling something that you don't own that costs less and you're making your money in the margin. Some people, they like to sell physical products. It's something that they love to do, but a lot of people don't know that you can also do it on ClickBank. And that's why I recommend ClickBank, because you can sell someone else's physical products, and there are some really good and there are a lot of good physical products on ClickBank that you can take advantage of. All right, let's go to number 3 right now. This is very important. How to start an online business for free, fail safe. Now, what is fail safe? Because I don't want you to follow what you hear all the time. I want you to question yourself. This is how you succeed. This is how you become an entrepreneur. You cannot just follow the herd and expect different results, because this is basically the definition of insanity, doing the same thing over and over again and then expecting different results. Why not just do it right the first time around? What I'm talking about is must have the simple tools for your online business to generate income fast. So you must have these tools, and these tools, a lot of people, make a big deal about them. Why should I get a tool? Because if you want to build a building, you have to have tools. If you want to build a business, you have to have a whole lot of money, and then you have to build your business. If you want to do anything, you have to have the tools. Even if you are a carpenter who wants to make a chair, you have to have the right tools to make a chair. Otherwise, you're not going to be successful. Hopefully, I made that very clear. Now, the first thing is very important. You must have the right email autoresponder for your online business. I just want to let you know this. Not all autoresponders are friendly. If you want to be successful, even if you are selling your own product online, you have to have a friendly autoresponder, because you have to sell affiliate products as well. Why? Because that's what the top affiliate marketers do. This is what we do. We sell a lot of affiliate marketing products. So you have to have an autoresponder that is friendly to that. Now, I did make a video regarding that. You can watch it, but I'm going to put all these links for you because we spend a lot of time trying to figure out what is the best one for this, what is the best one to do XYZ. I'll put them all in the link for you. If you want to, you can go and see what I'm talking about. You cannot be homeless online. You're probably wondering, what is this all about? You have to have the right hosting for your online business. Now, what I'm talking about is you have to create a one-page website about you and your online business. The reason for that is, believe it or not, people will go and look you up to see if you exist. They want to learn a little bit more about you. They want to have a little bit of trust. So you have to have that. And again, everything is in the description area. You can take a look what we use. If that fits you, you can use them. If not, pick your own. Make sure that you are doing something in order for you to succeed very quickly. Now, let's talk about the next one is fast traffic for online marketing business. And I'm talking, of course, your online marketing business. Now, why do you want to have fast traffic? Because if you want to make money, you have to be able to generate targeted leads very quickly. And this is how most people start. And as a matter of fact, this is how we still do it to this day, because we want to get something going very quickly. When we get something like a new product, we want to get started very quickly, and we want to get targeted leads very quickly. And you can do that. I'll put also the link inside the description area. The other thing we need to talk about, automation for your online business. And I'm talking about 24-hour sales software that actually turns your online prospects to online customers. A lot of people still do things by hand or manually. If you do that, it's very difficult for you to succeed because time is always of the essence. People have these tools that you don't have, and what happens is that they will beat you every time because they have an automated system to sell for them. Otherwise, you can hire your own salesperson, but it would be very expensive to do that. Let's go to E. To become top online business entrepreneur, there are some things that you have to do. You have to track your online progress for your business. The reason for that is very simple. You can't measure it. That means you can't improve it. How can you improve anything if you don't know how to measure it? If you don't know if your landing pages are really doing well, the colors are doing well, for example, then how can you measure it? You have to be able to measure it. And this is the biggest thing that is neglected by anybody who starts an online business. They just pick something out of the blue. And I'm talking about a tracking software. And the one that we use is one of the best. They're very easy to use and they're very sophisticated at the same time. There are 24-hour easy to use tools that track your online business. And without this, it's going to be very difficult for you to become successful starting an online business for free. You can start for free. If you don't want free, you can do something else. But for you to get started very quickly, you have to follow this blueprint. Otherwise, it's going to be very difficult for you to get going very quickly. If you want to know everything about affiliate marketing, click here. If you want to know about the top affiliate marketers in the world, click here. And as usual, I'll see you at the top.